Hello my loves, welcome back to the channel where we talk all things beauty, self-care and confidence. I'm so excited you're here today because we're about to explore a topic that so many people are curious about but might feel a little shy to ask: Brazilian waxing. Today we're diving deep into the world of Brazilian waxing. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking to brush up on your knowledge, I've got you covered. Brazilian waxing is one of the most popular hair removal methods for those who want a super smooth, clean look in their most intimate areas. So, what exactly is a Brazilian wax? Well, it's a waxing technique that removes all the hair from your bikini area. Yes, that means the front, the back, and everything in between. It's a thorough process that leaves you feeling fresh and confident. Some people choose to leave a small strip, a triangle, or a little shape in the front for a personal touch. But the classic Brazilian means going totally bare. It's all about your preference and what makes you feel your best. Now, you might be wondering how this is different from a bikini wax. A bikini wax just tidies up the sides and the top, making sure nothing peeks out of your swimsuit. But a Brazilian takes it all off, giving you a completely clean slate. The Brazilian is like a full deep clean for your skin, leaving it super smooth and soft to the touch. Many people love the feeling of confidence and freedom it brings, especially during summer or before a special occasion. The process works by pulling hair out from the root, which means your results last much longer than shaving. While shaving only cuts hair at the surface, waxing removes it completely, so you can enjoy smooth skin for up to 4 weeks or more, depending on your hair growth cycle. You can absolutely get a Brazilian wax done at a professional salon, where trained estheticians make the process as comfortable as possible. But if you're feeling adventurous or want to save some money, it's totally possible to master the art of Brazilian waxing at home with the right tools, a bit of patience, and some practice. In this guide, I'll walk you through every single step, from prepping your skin and choosing the best wax, to applying it safely and caring for your skin afterward. We'll talk about tips for reducing discomfort, how to avoid common mistakes, and what to do if you run into any issues along the way. If you're tired of razor bumps, ingrown hairs, and the hassle of daily shaving, Brazilian waxing might just be your new best friend. Imagine tossing out your razor and saying goodbye to stubble for weeks at a time. This step-by-step guide will help you achieve that silky smooth, flawless finish right at home, so you can feel confident and comfortable in your own skin every single day. We'll cover everything you need to know: what tools to use, the best techniques for different skin types, and how to handle any redness or sensitivity. Plus, I'll share my favorite aftercare tips to keep your skin looking and feeling its best. So, if you're ready to take the plunge and try something new, let's get started on your journey to ultimate smoothness and self-care. You've got this, my loves. Let's make your Brazilian waxing experience easy, empowering, and maybe even a little bit fun. Why do so many people choose a Brazilian wax? It's more than just a beauty trend. It's a self-care ritual that's become a favorite for people seeking smooth, hair-free skin. Whether you're prepping for a beach vacation, a special event, or just want to feel your best every day, Brazilian waxing offers a range of benefits that go far beyond what shaving can provide. The biggest reason? Long-lasting results. Unlike shaving, which only removes hair at the surface, waxing pulls hair out from the root. This means you can enjoy weeks of silky smoothness with no need to worry about daily maintenance or unsightly stubble popping up overnight. Shaving only cuts hair at the surface, so stubble returns fast. You might notice prickly regrowth in just a day or two, which can be frustrating if you want to keep your skin looking and feeling flawless. Waxing, on the other hand, removes the entire hair from the follicle. This not only keeps you hair-free for much longer, but also means that when hair does grow back, it often feels softer and less noticeable. Over time, with regular waxing, you'll notice that your hair grows back finer, softer, and sparser. Many people find that their regrowth becomes patchy and less dense, making each session easier and more comfortable. Consistent waxing can even reduce regrowth altogether. Some people experience such a significant reduction that they barely need to wax as often, saving both time and money in the long run. Plus, waxing exfoliates the skin by removing dead skin cells along with the hair, leaving your skin feeling extra smooth and radiant. It's like a mini spa treatment every time. Many people feel cleaner and fresher after a Brazilian, especially in hot weather or during workouts. With less hair, there's less chance for sweat and bacteria to build up, which can help you feel more comfortable and confident all day long. Less hair means less sweat and odor. This is a huge plus for athletes, gym goers, or anyone who leads an active lifestyle and wants to stay feeling fresh. The smooth, uniform look boosts confidence. No razor burn, no nicks, and no worries about stray hairs peeking out. You can wear your favorite swimwear, lingerie, or summer outfits with total confidence. Your skin feels like silk, perfect for swimwear, intimate moments, or just enjoying the sensation of soft, touchable skin. It's a little luxury that can make a big difference in how you feel about yourself. Ultimately, Brazilian waxing is about more than just hair removal. It's about feeling your best, inside and out. It's a confidence boost, a self-care ritual, and a way to treat yourself to smoother, healthier skin. If you want to go bare, Brazilian waxing is the way to go. It's safe, effective, and can be tailored to your comfort level and personal style. Ready to try it for yourself? Let's talk about what you'll need to get started and how to make your waxing experience as smooth as possible. Before we start, let's gather your waxing kit. Use hard wax. It's best for coarse hair and sensitive skin. You'll need a wax warmer for safe, even heating. Never use a microwave. Grab wooden applicators in different sizes for precise application. Get a pre-wax cleanser to remove oils and a post-wax oil or soothing lotion for aftercare. Baby powder or cornstarch helps absorb moisture and makes waxing less painful. Keep small scissors for trimming long hairs. A handheld mirror is essential for hard-to-see spots. Lay down an old towel to protect your space. Having everything ready makes the process smoother and less stressful. Now, let's prep your skin for the best results. Ready? Let's move on. Preparation is everything. Hair should be about a 1/4 inch long, like a grain of rice. If it's too long, trim it. Too short, wait a bit. Gently exfoliate the area the day before to prevent ingrown hairs. On waxing day, skip lotions and oils. Take a warm shower to open pores, then dry the area completely. Set up your space with a towel and mirror. Cleanse the skin with pre-wax cleanser right before you start. Lightly dust with baby powder or cornstarch to absorb moisture. Now your skin is perfectly prepped for waxing. These steps make a huge difference in comfort and results. Let's get waxing. It's time to apply the wax, and this is where your technique really makes a difference. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, following these steps will help you achieve salon-quality results at home. Start by melting your hard wax until it reaches a thick, honey-like consistency. This texture is crucial. It should be warm and spreadable but not runny. Always test the temperature on the inside of your wrist to make sure it's comfortable and won't burn your skin. Safety first. Next, divide the area you're waxing into small, manageable sections about 1 to 2 inches wide. Working in smaller areas gives you more control and helps ensure you don't miss any spots. Using a spatula, apply the wax in the direction of hair growth. Press down firmly as you spread the wax, making sure it adheres well to the hair. This step is key for getting a clean removal and minimizing discomfort. Be sure to create a layer that's thick enough to grip the hair, but not so thick that it won't harden properly. At the end of each strip, form a small tab or edge. This will make it much easier to pull the wax off in one smooth motion. Allow the wax to cool and harden for about 30 to 60 seconds. You'll know it's ready when it's no longer sticky to the touch and feels firm. Don't rush this step. Patience here leads to better results. Pay close attention to the direction your hair grows. Hair can grow in different directions, even in small areas, so take a moment to examine the pattern before applying wax. This will help you get the most hair in one go and avoid unnecessary irritation. By working in small patches, you can easily adjust your technique for each section. This is especially helpful for tricky spots or areas where hair grows in multiple directions. This careful approach helps the wax grip the hair securely, reducing the chance of breakage and making the process less painful. You'll also notice smoother results and less redness afterward. Take your time and don't rush. Precision is key. Focus on each section and make sure the wax is applied evenly. A little extra care now means a much smoother finish later. When you're ready for the big pull, take a deep breath and stay calm. Confidence and focus will help you get the best results. Remember, you're almost done. Just one more step to go. Now, let's move on to the removal process and reveal your beautifully smooth skin. Here comes the moment of truth. Once the wax is firm, hold the skin taut with one hand. Grab the wax tab and pull quickly in the opposite direction of hair growth, close to the skin, not up and away. Quick, confident pulls hurt less and remove more hair. Immediately press your hand on the area to soothe the sting. Check the strip. Seeing those hairs is so satisfying. Continue in small sections, always holding skin tight. For sensitive spots, use smaller strips and adjust your position for better access. Be patient and gentle with yourself. The inner and back areas are most sensitive. Take your time. You're doing great. Now let's soothe your skin. On to aftercare. You did it! Now let's care for your skin. Remove leftover wax with post-wax oil on a cotton pad. Choose oils with calming ingredients like chamomile or aloe. Gently massage in to reduce redness and irritation. For 24-48 hours, avoid hot baths, saunas, pools, and heavy exercise. Wear loose, breathable clothing to prevent friction. Skip fragranced or harsh products. Stick to gentle, soothing lotions. Let your skin breathe and recover. Proper aftercare prevents bumps and irritation. Your skin needs this time to heal. Let's talk safety and smart waxing. You're almost a pro. Safety first, always. Always check wax temperature on your wrist before applying. Never wax over irritated, sunburned, or broken skin. Avoid waxing if you're on medications like retinoids or certain antibiotics. Consult your doctor if unsure. Use a fresh applicator for each dip to keep things hygienic. Never wax the same area more than twice in one session. Tweeze any stubborn hairs instead of overwaxing. Don't chase perfection. Protect your skin's health. Applicator sticks are cheap, so use plenty. Take your time and listen to your body. Nervous for your first time? Here's how to make it easier. You've got this. First time waxing at home? It's normal to be nervous. Start small. Try just the bikini line before going for the full Brazilian. This helps you get used to the process and sensation. Expect some discomfort, but it gets easier each time. Taking ibuprofen 30-45 minutes before can help with pain. Use a handheld mirror and try different positions for better access. Create a relaxing atmosphere. Music and candles help. Be patient and kind to yourself. Your first try won't be perfect. Celebrate your bravery and progress. Each session you'll get better and more confident. You're unlocking a new level of self-care. You're strong, capable, and ready for smooth skin. Let's do this, my love.